Hey gang, I just wanted to show you this handy little light that a friend of mine, Doug Woodman, has invented. He's come up with several different designs of it. This is, let me turn the lights on for a second. This is kind of a crude model. He keeps updating through the years. He's changed it. It used to be twice as long. It was about this long. And it really is a cool little thing. I'm trying to get him to encase this thing here, but these are like LED little inserts you can put in there. There's warm and cool light. Now this is what I use when I do a nocturnal painting. Let me turn the lights off again. See how I hook it to my easel, my portable easel, my Soltec, and it gives me all the light I need. It's very adjustable. This clamp back here, let me turn the lights back on so you can see better. It's very adjustable to whatever. It hooks to my Soltec, my Easel, here my studio easel, it didn't matter. This, it goes in different angles. This right here is for a battery pack. However, the battery pack he gave me, it quit working for some reason. So I have this other one I bought at Walmart, and I just kind of rubber band it to that whenever I need it. But it's just your portable little battery pack that you charge your phone with, which it's a good idea to have one of those anyway when you're out playing or painting or at a workshop. And see, this is everything's adjustable. This can come out. Let's see. Let me get it to, hold on a second. I can't do it with one hand. Anyway, this rod extends out like you'd pull it out further from your painting if you'd like. You can adjust this up and down. Now the cool thing is when you can make these cooler or warmer. See how it's a warmer light now, and it has different variations of light, like low and high. So anyway, this is a fantastic thing to have when you're at a workshop. You know how it is if you've ever been to one. You get stuck in the corner. There's not very good lighting. You need to have a little light. There's all kinds of other little lights too. I mean, I've got a multitude here. These you have to plug in. That's a Daylight. It's called Daylight Company that makes that one. This one's Revolite, which the Revolite has a battery pack, and you can take that with you. Really need one that has a battery pack because if you get to a workshop, there may not be a plug available for you to plug it into. You may be in a remote corner and you're going to be screwed if you can't plug it in. And then too, if you're going out doing nocturnes, which is a lot of fun, it just is a neat thing to have, and it all folds up in this little case. So it's easy to put into my backpack. Here's his business card right here. I'll send you the link to his website. I think this is still his website. It was kind of a work in progress the whole time he was developing this. And one year we went back and forth a few times. He was wanting me to try it out for him, and he came up with like 3 different versions of it. And he's probably, since last year, since I saw him, he's probably come up with another version of it. But and also I believe Method Lights also has a easel light. But you can there are little lights you can find at Walmart or whatever that might clip to your easel that would give you some light, LED lights, but they're only going to give you so much light. They're not great lighting elements. Like these, you're going to get warm and cool light, and it's going to really be what you're looking for, as intense as you're looking for, and you can control it. You can have it on your palette. It's going to be strong enough to show onto your palette. And anyway, I just thought I'd show you this, and it's a really good thing to invest in if you're going to do a lot of painting, and it's worth it to me. All right, talk to you later. Bye.